Now go and tell to come to my house at 1 p.m. One day a week, don't waste my time.
Okay, sir.
Let's go.
Hello, Miss Anna. Good morning.
Yes, anything I can do for you?
Ma'am, Mr. Rita was requesting you to come to his office later at 1 p.m. We want to talk to you for some important matters.
Oh, please tell Mr. Alao that I can come because I am sick and I have to stay at home for a few days.
So I just tell him, ma'am, that you can come?
No. You know Mr. Alao, he'll transform me to a dragon if he don't talk to anyone. So I just send someone to talk to him, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Bye.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
You're at the office now, right?
Yes, ma'am, I am. Why?
Mr. Alao wants to have a meeting with me at 1 p.m. but you know how sick I am. Could you please come for me?
Yes, of course. I can come since there's no too much work here at the office.
Oh, thank you, my dear. I'll treat you lunch when I get back to office for doing this favor. Because you know this would be a big problem if no one would come to talk to him.
There's no problem with that, ma'am.
Oh well, thank you again. Bye.
Bye.
Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Where's Miss Anna?
Sorry, sir, she's not able to come. She's too sick.
Okay, take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
I have your director of the company sales from January up to now. Now what can you say about the records?
Sales are decreasing, sir.
There you go. And I've also checked the marketing plans for this month. We need to change the strategy and the target market.
But, sir, the target market needed our products right now.
Yes, but they don't have the power to buy. I must start their place.
Oh, I see, sir. Facts are visible, maybe we should do so.
I'll be expecting another plan tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sir, we'll try our best.
You must.
Hello, ma'am. How are you? Well, ma'am, show me the sales from January up to this month. Sales are really decreasing. He wants to change the strategy and target market. Ma'am, the plan is stated tomorrow. You've been doing this for years, ma'am. Within that plan, you know you always have better ideas. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Let's have a meeting. We have an urgent work to do.
I just heard more.
And it's about the marketing plan needs some revisions, and it has to be passed tomorrow. Tomorrow? You are kidding, right? Yes, you are kidding. How can I do that without Miss Anna here? She's sick and we can't do anything about that. But she appointed me to talk to you and talk about these matters and also instruct you. That's okay with you.
Yes, it's okay. You're in the position. You have the power to do so. Right, guys?
Yes, yes. So now, Mr. E, please take a research with all other available targets about markets that would best suit our product, and especially research about our target market if it is the best one that would fit.
Okay, I will give the result as early as possible.
And you, Miss F and Miss G, please formulate a better strategy that would help solve the decreasing sales of the company. Do you need a new advertising program for more ads? More ads will lead to more expenses. Yes, that's right. Just improve the marketing strategy. I'll just go talk to the production manager.
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir.
How's the production going?
My men are still producing the same quantity of product as before, sir.
Oh, but we had a meeting a week ago. How many times have we tell you to lessen the production?
Well, there's a possibility that we will get out of stock, sir.
No, we won't. Things are decreasing. Lessening and getting.
Oh, I'm sorry. We'll decrease the production as soon as possible. Oh, hi, Miss Chen. What brought you here?
tomorrow, sir. Morning, sir.
Morning. Please tell every person in the family department to come at the earnest meeting in my office 10 a.m. and read their plans.
Okay, sir. Morning, sir.
Morning. Please take your seat.
Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Sir, this is the plan for finance department. No one can come because they're all struggling with self-service.
Okay, let's start the meeting. Please discuss the market plans.
So, here is the new plan, sir. We changed our target market because, as we have said, we won't be able to produce our product because of the tight regulation.
Oh, yes, we decided to change the place where people eat it and handle it well.
We are more focused on selling the product instead of being a high income, so there's no need for competition. The target has volume decreased by 10%, sir. Because of the types that happen, we are expecting less than that. Yes, that's right, sir. Net sales for what you should have will be higher and will have more scale.
Okay, good. Make the plan work. How about you, Mr. Valdez?
Master Production, as you have told me, sir, we're going to lessen the product. So, we have discovered cheaper raw materials but still of the same quality with the other materials we have used.
Well, that would be better. That would generate higher profit. Show me the samples and we will talk about it some other time.
Okay, sir, and another thing is that we had stopped producing the products and we still have a lot of stock that is not still sold.
The plan of the finance department is also good, and it matches with your plans. Now, make all these plans work and expect a bonus when you meet success.
We will go over business. We can do this planning, sir.
So, I think everything is settled. Meeting adjourned.
Yes, sir. Good morning, ma'am. If he told me that what is not here right now, why is that so, ma'am?
You know that we don't have the insurance control right now because Mr. Carlos is handling it, right?
Yes, everybody needs their plan.
Exactly, and I don't want you to do the research.
Me, ma'am? For children that controller?
Yes, I do think so.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll do my best for the company. Morning, everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, Mr. Ramirez. I have to tell you something. I was so wrong.
Reviews, ma'am.
Yes, really good news. Because of our new chief financial officer. But what's going on? Bad
Excuse me, Miss Anna. We are really problem with that.
no problem with that. Yes, he wants to sell the rocket. Excuse me. I need to be there at 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Seriously?
Yes, 3 p.m. Exactly.
Wow, red day.
Shut up. Just do that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Finish this before 3 p.m.
3 p.m., sir?
Yes, 3 p.m.
Okay, sir.
That's a bad day?
Lots of paperwork. Paperworks that aren't mine.
What do you mean?
Well, it's Mr. Badena's work. Then he passed it to me.
Don't mind that, just understand me.
Well, that's the only choice. You again?
Don't worry, I'm not going to see you again. I just want to read this paper to you to let you know you have a new budget again.
Kill me. New budget na walang gawin na new budget again.
So you need to shift to the next one.
Okay.
Ma'am, here's the improved budget plan.
Why did you decrease it? I told you to decrease it.
Ma'am, I thought we need to increase it. Sorry, ma'am.
No, change it.
Our department head was so boss
with her.
Oh, really? Ma'am Chelsea made the wrong choice.
Very wrong. But wait, our office mate was so high blood with me all the time. I can't understand him.
Well, he likes Miss Punsalan a lot.
Oh, I see. Break time is over. Let's go back to work.
Too much conflicts. This company got a big problem.
How do you say so?
People here got a lot of conflicts, too much conflicts.
Yes, some misunderstood each other, some employees are bossy, some have attitude problems, and a lot more.
This is really bad. Works would be affected. Morning, Mom. Morning, Miss Becky. So what's wrong here? I think I didn't call you. Yes, Mom. I have something important to talk about. Okay, what was that? Mom, think of around the having all the conflicts and the conflicts are getting bigger and bigger. Really? I just heard this from them, Mom. And I talked to you about an operating school with affect readers and thank you for that. Thank you, Mom. Do you have any problems in your work?
No, ma'am.
How about you, Miss Anna? No, ma'am. How about your coworkers?
I just hate bossy people around me.
And some other people who did not listen to other opinions.
Mr. Lau, do you have any complaints with your coworkers?
Yes, ma'am. There are some employees who pass their responsibilities to others.
Is that all?
Also, some employees here have attitude problems.
I've got a lot of information about their problems and complaints about it. What is your plan now, Mom? I'm planning to have a seminar about this and everyone will be start organizing. Yes, of course, Mom. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I have conducted this seminar to develop a more harmonious relationship here in our company and to have a pleasant working surrounding. So, let's start with the common problem encountered here. First is the miscommunication. Always try to send message or command clearly so that the work will be done correctly.
But how about you've said it was clear, but still they didn't understand?
Then say it twice to make it more clear. Practice that, repeating the task twice. Next is the personal problem and attitude problem. Leave your own problem at home and focus at work when you're in the company. So it wouldn't affect how you talk with your office mates. Because if you mix work with problems, it would lead to failure of tasks and misunderstandings. And lastly, do not be bossy and do not pass your responsibilities to others.
Even if you're the boss?
Delegate the task in a good manner.
How about passing off responsibilities because of fully loaded work?
Then ask for help. That would be a better way. If you just tell to someone to do this or do that, that would be so improper. And if possible, do your work on time to avoid fully loaded tasks. And for the heads, be a leader, not a boss.
Conflict is inevitable, but there are many ways to lessen it. Watch your own attitudes and keep the proper behavior and everything will get better. So I guess this would help resolve the problem here in our company and achieve a better relationship to all the people working here. Thank you.
Da 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 da